Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all fine and doing well. If you are me, then you know that today is Namjoon's birthday. I am a BTS fan, so today is Namjoon's birthday, so I'm gonna celebrate it by drawing this portrait of him. I'll try to draw like as perfect as it possible. Like, you know that if you're my subscriber, then you know that I'm also learning sketch, so it will be kinda hard for me to draw accurately, but I'll try hard to do it more accurately. So let's start. But before that, if you are new on my channel, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. If you love to watch art related videos, then you are always welcome on my channel. I hope you will learn something from this channel. And yeah, that's it, let's start. But before that, I have done the measurement because I'm gonna draw a real people portrait, like real person's portrait, so that's why I need this measurement. So at first you have to draw a line of 15.5 centimeter. Then you have to draw lines in 3 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 8.2 centimeter, 11.5 centimeter, 13 centimeter. Yeah, that's it for the measurement. I hope you can all see this measurement clearly. So let's start. It's done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed this drawing. If you want to draw realistic drawing, though I'm not able to draw that much like realistic kind of drawing, because I'm learning drawing by and I'm learning sketch by myself, so it's kind of difficult for me to do how to do it. So if you want to draw a real portrait, like you are using a real person's pic as reference, then I will tell you to please take the measurement, then try to draw it. Take measurement with the scale or whatever medium you use to take the measurement. Please take the measurement, then try to draw. It will look much better because we are still learning, so it will help us to draw more accurately. If we want to draw accurately with the accurate measurement, so it will be better if you take the measurement and then you draw. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.